So you got to pull this tab and then pull this out. Can you see that? Hold it still. This tab right here. So you can do it with your fingernail or a screwdriver. You pull that tab up and then pull it out. And once you do that, then you're going to take one of these tools and you're going to slide it in here, and there's a little lever. Let's see if I can get it. Here's a big one right here. So see that lever? You got to press that lever up. So each one is a different size. And I bought these little things here. We've got different sizes, and I laid them out how I pulled them out. So the smallest one, I used this one here. The middle one, I used that one. And the biggest one, I used this one. The smallest one is the hardest. The biggest one right there in the middle, you can see it, and you can it's easier to touch it. The little ones, I mean, they are small, and it takes a little bit, but it's the same principle as the big one. You just press that up and then you can pull it out. So these tiny ones are a real pain, but when you stick the tool in there, you work it up to depress it, you can hear it click sometimes. I don't know if you can hear it clicking. And that'll let you know that you're at least pressing it. And you got to get it just right. If you pull on the wire too soon, it won't come out, because the little lever in there will be trapped. You sort of got to push it forward and then pull it out, and it comes out. Another thing you need to be aware of, if you look in here, there's different sizes or different size slots. All right. See how tiny those slots in the middle are, and then they get wider. So when you look at your tools, see how some of them, they sort of taper down, and some of them are longer, like this one here. Let's see. See how it's fatter? So if you notice, this will fit in here, but it won't fit in here. So you have to find a different key that will fit into that little slot. And then some of them will fit in there, but they won't be long enough. So you have to find a longer one or a shorter one. Just depends on which slot you're going into. Also, see how this key is offset? So it'll fit into that groove there.